Only a quick one, this little video, which technically should be a short, but you know how I like to waffle. Luke's just fitting up a rubber so we can get on and get the Jensen done, but I thought I'd just do a quick little video because we've had some feedback on social media. If you live in the UK, you know we had the budget yesterday, which was a bit of a shocker. It wasn't a shock, it was just a bit of crap for small business. And I just thought we'd make mention here that we've not put our prices up since 2023. We've been £65 an hour now for the past nearly 3 years. And we're just about fully booked up for next year as well. And that's all priced at £65 an hour. We've got 2 small slots available towards the end of next year still. And those will still be carried out at £65 per hour. Anything we're booking forward now though for 2027, we're putting our prices up. So we'll be £70 an hour for everything through 2027, even if we book it now for 2027. Material costs go up each year. We can't odds that, and we do have to pass that straight on to you guys, but it's normally around about the 10% on the material costs. But as I say, labour prices we have not put up now in 3 years, and yet our cost of running has gone straight up. I'm not going to go into that, that's boring, and I've already covered that. Well, 18 months ago, nearly 2 years ago, in fact. I might put a link up there for that. So yeah, that's it. Budget good news though, is they didn't touch classic cars. So it's good news for you guys. There was a lot of scaremongering, as there normally is around a budget, about they're going to start taxing older cars again and things like that. But that's been left well alone. Anything over 40 years is still road tax free, so it's a small saving. And yeah, if you want those last 2 slots for next year, get in touch now because they are going pretty damn quickly. And we have got our first booking of 2027. So £65 an hour for all of 2026, £70 an hour 2027 moving onwards. And I need to help Luke now. So we'll catch you at the weekend for hopefully a video on the Jensen.